Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your phone data from an old phone to a new phone using device clone. And this is probably the easiest way to transfer it. So let's go to the top right on my Android phone and go to Settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom till we get to System and Updates right here and select this. Then we want to go to where it says Device Clone. Go to Device Clone, and then you have two options right here. You have this is the old phone, and this is the new phone. Very simple. Just make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi, and then we can go to this is the old phone, send data, and it's going to look for a QR code to scan. All you have to do is go over the QR code on the new phone, and then you should be able to link it together. So let's back out and go to the other option. Now on your new device, go to this option. This is the new data device. Let's receive data. And then you have to choose other Android device, Apple device, or even Honor device. So let's go to other Android device. Here is the QR code that you have to scan. Just bring the other phone over the top of this one, and it should automatically detect it. And then we can go to the next screen where we can begin the transfer process. And our contacts, our phone data, etc., everything on this phone will be transferred over to the new one. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.